Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Autumn and today I am going to be doing a fall clothing haul. I purchased a few things from Amazon, Forever 21, and Target. Everything is super affordable, so I'm just going to jump right into it. First, I got this teddy bear jacket. It's super fluffy, super comfy. I got it in the color camel, I believe. I did get this from Amazon. I got a size medium. They said it kind of runs small a little bit, but it did have good reviews, so I went ahead and bought it. I think it was around like $30-ish. I will say I don't plan on wearing it zipped up, but this zipper is kind of hidden in this fur. So it took me a while to kind of inch my way down to unzip it because it did come zipped up. But I don't plan on wearing it zipped up, so if you do, I definitely wouldn't recommend this. But other than that, I'm super happy with this. Next, I got this, I guess you could say, distressed looking sweater. It just kind of has like a v-neck. It is one size fits all. It is from Zaful, and I've bought tons of their bathing suits, so I thought it was kind of cool that it came from Zaful because it didn't say that. It kind of just is like this on the bottom as well. It is more boxier than I had intended, but I do plan on wearing it slouchy and kind of off the shoulder, so it's perfect. Next, this is not a fall item, but it's something that I got, so. This bodysuit, where it kind of looks like a sports bra up here at the top, and then it has this strap, and then these bottoms kind of come up in the front. You can't really see it when you wear something like high-waisted up here, so I would recommend that. But the only thing I will say is a negative about this is the back. It is a zipper back. I'm a big fan of the crotch button, not the zipper back, but it's still super cute, and I do love it, so happy about that. The next item I did get from Amazon as well. It's just this long sleeve turtleneck bodysuit. It's super casual, super cheap. It is cotton, so I do like that. You can layer this in the winter or just wear it with some shorts in the summer, so I'm super happy about that. Next, Target. So I got these pants from Target. They are kids' pants. I got them in a size 14. I usually wear anywhere from like a 0 to a 3, but I went ahead and tried these on and I did love them, and I'm hoping that they're like 60% cotton, 68% cotton, so they'll kind of shrink up. But either way, I love them. They have little moons and peace signs, shooting stars, aliens, and a little heart all over them. The bottom of the jeans are cut like this, which these are my favorite jeans, so super happy. And shopping in the kids section is a lot cheaper than shopping in the actual women's section. So yes, highly recommended if you can fit in those kind of clothes. Next, we have this yellow bodysuit, super stretchy material. This came in several different colors and I actually love this. So I might actually go back and get a couple more colors. I think this was like $10. I could be wrong. But I got a size small, and you can wear this as well with layers in the winter, or you can just wear it with some shorts in the summer. But I love bodysuits, as you can tell. Next, this is from Forever 21. This is a kid's item as well, but I had to have it. This Powerpuff Girl shirt. I was thinking it would be more of like a crop top, but it'll show a little bit of the midriff, which is perfect. But these are my favorite kind of shirts to wear around, just like the one I have on. This, it was like $3 from Forever 21 as well. So that's my go-to. Next, I have this FAUX leather suede chevron looking skirt. It's super hard for me to find skirts that I can actually fit into. I should say leather skirts. So I've bought several ones from PacSun and none of them fit me, but my bad for not trying it on. So this actually fits me. It's a little bit big, but I do love it, and I think this was like $10, maybe $12, not sure. Once again, I'll link everything below. And I did get a size small. And last but not least, I just got these booties. These were, I think, $20 from Forever 21. I really love these. They're casual or can be dressed up. The only thing I will say is I was sliding around on the bottoms. I wore them from like my room to my kitchen. And the hardwood floors, I was kind of slipping and sliding, so I might just go on the asphalt outside and kind of rough them up so I'm not sliding. But yes, $20, highly recommend everything. If you have any questions, please be sure to ask them in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you did not like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs down. I am on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Autumnallday, so be sure to give ya girl a follow. Thanks for watching.